From a list of invoices in a Google spreadsheet, to running scripts on the same spreadsheet that sends emails to remind your clients about overdue payments, to seeing the actual emails being sent and saving you lots of times. Let me show you how it's all done.
Hello everyone, welcome to WEALTHFLOW Agents channel. Today I will show you how to automate invoice chasing with the help of Excel and Claude AI, or any AI you want, with the click of a button completely for free. So if you are an accountant or a freelancer or a trader and you wish to save time and money from chasing invoices, here is a quick and easy way to do it, for free. Let's dive in. So I got a mock-up Excel sheet with a list of client names, emails, and invoices, due date. And I also have the amounts and the states of that invoices. Now let's assume I have a very long list instead and don't want to go emailing each client one by one. I can simply go in Claude, code for free, and it's a free account. But you can also use ChatGPT or Gemini or even the AI mode in Google search and ask for a script to run in an Excel sheet that at the click of a button, it will email all the overdue invoices and provide a sheet or a screenshot of that list for structure. Ask to set a name for it, like an invoice tool. And after that, right here, I use Claude. Said I have this Google Sheet invoice list, best way to create a script. I click of a button will send emails to overdue invoices with information from the sheet. And he gave me a script. And then I said I'm getting 0 emails, so I had to reiterate and fix the bugs. And also I asked for more features. And then I had to fix one more issue. And then, yeah, that's it. After a couple of iterations, I got the final script. And once you get the final script, all you have to do is go to Extensions, App Scripts, open a new page. And over here, you just go Code.js and white, select everything, paste it in there, make sure you save it, go back and just refresh the page. And you should see the Invoice Tools at the top with the new tools. Now, all you have to do, select it, debug, show you what happens to the invoice you have, run in the script. There you go, it shows you the rows. First one won't get an email because they're not overdue yet. Second one, not overdue. Third one, not overdue. Fourth one, it is overdue because it's on the 10th of February and we are on the 11th of February. So you will get emailed. So now you can also, if this wasn't selected overdue, and this one is overdue, you can also run the script, mark overdue invoices, for instance. One marked with overdue, said, okay, let's see. There you go, overdue. So now let's say I want to send the email. All I have to do is preview and send. Run the script. This is my client, it's overdue, dear client name, it's going to take the client name from there. Invoice number, days overdue, it tells you how many days. Fills up all this information based on your list. And then best regards, you can put WEALTHFLOW Agents as a company. And that's it. Send the email. Send in the email. Success. See, it even shows you a reminder that the email was sent on that address. So now if I go, just got it. Payment reminder invoice is overdue. Globex number, the amount 3,000, overdue 1 day. Please submit payments for your convenience. Best regard to WEALTHFLOW Agents. And that's it. So that shows you how the tool did everything it's supposed to do and got everything working. So you should see, if you're happy with the results, feel free to brag to your friends about it and maybe give this channel a follow, like, and comment. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions and what kind of AI automation will make your life easier, and I'll add it to my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.